Hello everybody, welcome to another video on Essential Life Skills with me, Richa. Well, today I'm going to talk about a topic which is one of my personal favorite, and I'm sure most of you listening to this video will also identify with it. Well, I'm talking about ways to motivate yourself. Before even we get down to talking about ways to motivate yourself, let's ask ourselves this one question. What exactly are we looking for to motivate ourselves for? Is it motivating ourselves to achieve any particular diet? Motivating ourselves to study better? Motivating ourselves for a workout? Well, you might be struggling with all of these things to motivate yourself for. However, these are at a very superficial or shallow level. What we are really looking for is at a deeper level. The one reason why most of the people probably are not motivated for is because they do not have a direction, a goal or passion in life. Well friends, today we are here to talk about ways to motivate yourself so that you are successful and you achieve something in life, because to do that you really need to be self-motivated. Well, most of us set New Year resolutions, don't we? And the very fact that we set these resolutions with a lot of energy and enthusiasm, but what happens after a couple of months down the line? We really struggle to keep up with these resolutions because somewhere we are left with zero motivation. So how do we really achieve these New Year resolutions, or rather what do we do to motivate ourselves? Do not worry, I'm here to tell you about 7 tips which will help you to motivate yourself. Keep watching. Well friends, tip number 1 to really motivate yourself is to close your eyes and visualize yourself reaching your goals. Well, it's a very important point over here, because if you have read the book The Secret, you will understand that there is a lot of power in visualization. While you're doing this particular exercise of closing your eyes and visualizing reaching your goals, please do not be judgmental, or rather do not be biased towards it. Do not worry whether you will achieve it or not achieve it. You just need to think positive and try and visualize yourself achieving or reaching your goals. That will really help you motivate yourself to achieve your goals and rather just be self-motivated. So try doing this tip right now, friends. Try to just close your eyes and visualize yourself reaching out for your goals. Friends, my tip number 2 to achieve, or rather to motivate yourself, is this one very interesting thing which even I do. Well, try doing something new today. It can be something as simple as trying out a new dish which you have never done before, or rather waking up with a nice smile or a bright smile on your face. It can be something simple as helping out your enemies as well. Well, anything which you add new to your life will definitely help you motivate yourself. So try doing that right now. Try doing something different than what you actually do in your day-to-day normal activities. Friends, tip number 3 to motivate yourself is try taking a walk in the garden or in the park and let nature reset your mind. Well, there is a power in having a nice lush green surrounding around you. What that really helps you to do is it uplifts your mood and makes you think in a positive manner. That is something which can really help you motivate yourself. So in your busy schedule or a hectic lifestyle, try finding a little time by yourself, go for a walk in nature and just enjoy being in nature. That can uplift your mood and make you feel nice about yourself. Try doing that today. Well friends, my tip number 4 in order to really motivate yourself is something which I personally do in my day-to-day life without fail, and that is make a to-do list. Well, the reason I say make a to-do list is it's important to know what all tasks you have in your day-to-day life. And the moment you write it down and you keep ticking off each activity or task, when you complete it, gives you a sense of achievement, and that can really help you motivate yourself. So that's my tip number 4, make a to-do list, and try doing that today itself. So friends, tip number 5 to really motivate yourself is to get enough sleep. Well, I have seen it in my daily life. When I do not sleep well, or rather when I've had a disturbed sleep, I get up feeling very cranky and very demotivated. So it's important to get your daily snooze of 7 to 8 hours at least in a day. That helps you to wake up bright in a sunshine manner and you're really motivated to achieve your day, or rather achieve your goals. So try doing that. Try getting your very important, your enough sleep of 7 to 8 hours. My sixth tip in order to really motivate yourself is drink coffee for a quick jolt. Well, you might laugh when you hear that, but it's important to understand that coffee has caffeine, and caffeine can really hit the mind or give it a jolt, which will help you to motivate yourself when you feel demotivated during the course of your day. So try doing that. Have a quick cup of coffee whenever you're feeling demotivated. Well, friends, I do that quite a lot. But be careful, do not have too much of coffee cups in your day. So friends, my seventh tip, or the last tip in order to motivate yourself, is by exercising daily without fail. Well, exercising is known to be a very great morale booster, because when you do any kind of exercise, be it swimming or gymming or just going for a jog in the garden, it helps you uplift your mood. The reason being that you sweat whenever you exercise, and these release some happy hormones which help you to feel really motivated in your day. So try doing that. In case you do not exercise, make it a habit to exercise. Well friends, that brings us to the end of our module today on ways to motivate yourself. A quick recap and summarization of all the topics or all the tips in order to motivate yourself. Tip number 1, close your eyes and visualize yourself reaching your goals. Tip number 2 is try walking in a garden in front of green, lush surroundings, which will really help you motivate yourself. Also, tip number 3 is try doing something different than what you normally do. Tip number 4 is get enough sleep. It's important to have your daily dose of 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Tip number 5 is get some exercise. Tip number 6 is try doing away with negative thinking. And last but not the least, tip number 7 is have a good cup of coffee, which will help you give a jolt and also motivate yourself. Well, we do hope you have enjoyed listening to this module on ways to motivate yourself. Till then, keep watching, more videos coming your way. Thank you and bye-bye.